Hello to one and all. In the today's video, we shall see how to create a visual tooltip in any Power BI dashboard. As you could see that I have opened one of the Power BI Insights dashboard for US location. And in this dashboard, we are having various clustered bar chart and clustered column charts consisting of the visual tooltips. As you could see, if I hover over any visual, I can get the tooltip itself as another visual. In this visual, we have top sales by product information consisting of various products such as product 63, product 28, product 47. And if I hover over on those products, I get a tooltip itself as another visual. Say for example, if I hover over another visual consisting of top profits information by customers, and if I click on the first customers, I get all the products that is being purchased by that particular customer. And similarly, the same thing applies to the next customer and so on. So in this way, the visual tooltip is not only an attractive feature, but rather it is dynamic in nature. In addition to that, in the recent times, the visual tooltip has become one of the key features of the requirement in most of the Power BI projects. What we shall do is, we shall try to create the tooltip functionality in another Power BI dashboard which I have already recently built. Let us open one of the fictional Power BI dashboards which I have created recently. That's the Harry Potter dashboard. This dashboard consists of various Harry Potter movies. If I hover over on this particular visual in this particular dashboard, we could see that I have already created a tooltip which is formatted. It's not the default tooltip, it's a formatted tooltip. What we shall do is, we shall replace this particular tooltip with a visual tooltip. In order to do that, we have 3 to 4 simple steps. So let me recreate another tab in this particular dashboard in order to do that. By doing so, we shall navigate to the format option. And under format option, let us go to the page information. And under page information, let us rename the page as visual tooltip. Having done that, we shall enable the tooltip feature. And the next step would be to go to the page size and change the type to tooltip. Having done this, the next step would be to go to the view option and make the page view as fit to page. So this particular page is nothing but the base or the canvas for creating the visual which will act as a visual tooltip for the page 1. I will show you what I mean. Say for example, let us take table 1 in this particular canvas. And let us take the movie information from the movies data table, movie title, and let us take some of the key measures such as box office total, and the budget total. Now this particular visual will be our base information that would act as a visual tooltip. Now what we shall do is, we shall format this particular table visual. Let us decrease the text size of the grid. Let us keep it 8. And adjust the visual accordingly within this particular page. Having done that, we shall beautify this particular visual a bit. Let us go to style in order to do that. Since we have a default option, let us take some interesting feature in order to beautify the visual. Let us take contrast alternating rows. Secondly, let us change the color of the column headers. Let us make the font color as sky blue, and let us make the background color as dark blue. Similarly, let us do the same for total. That's for this particular. Let us make the font color as sky blue, and let us keep the background color as dark blue. Now, let us go to the value section. That's the content within the visual. Font color as light sky blue, and the background color as the regular blue. Similarly, for these two items, we shall do the same. Let us take the font color as light sky blue color. Now let us take the background color as a bit dark. Let us take dark blue. Thereby we now have an attractive table visual. Now let us make this particular visual as a visual tooltip to page 1. Let us put visual tooltip into action. In order to do that, let us navigate to page 1 and let us select the visual to which we shall put the visual tooltip into action. Let us click on this particular visual, and what we shall do is let us go to format, and under format let us go to tooltip. Let us enable the tooltip. Let us keep type as report page, and let us take page as visual tooltip, which has been created over here. Having done that, let us try hovering over the visual. Boom, we get the visual tooltip. Did you see that? So in this way, we could create a visual tooltip in any Power BI dashboard. Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe to the channel and get the regular updates. Till then, happy analyzing. Thank you very much. Have a great day, guys.